No, I'm so... Stop!
It worked!
It's driving me crazy. Oh my god! It's like torture. No, Shane keeps saying it's... Oh god, why is this happening? Stop! Get away from me.
I can't stop yawning. It's like making me cry because I've done it so much. You're doing it again! Like, I'm like crying because I can't stop.
Science class. Why though? It's driving me crazy.
It's empathy, I already told you.
It's not true.
Is that simply neurological?
Stop it. I didn't see you do it. It's contagious if you see it. No. It doesn't work if you're faking it. But I do want to know why Shane's saying it's linked to empathy, but I don't feel like it's empathizing with somebody because that's suggesting that yawning's ugly and I need to make you feel better about your yawn.
That's sympathy.